Oh, I'm back. I'm live. Yeah. I'm live. Finally. It's been a while, huh? Alright, let's make a game. I can show you where I am now with my project, actually. One second. So, let me show you where I am right now. It's pretty cool. So, I made a bunch of improvement to my game, more gameplay stuff. So the first thing is the charge stuff. You know, there is a skill you can. Oh, you can see I can hit some jar too. You can also grab the stuff on the ground now. Look, and you can throw to monster, or you can get this jar and boom in your face. I'm making more interactable. So yeah, you can pretty much grab everything you want and throw it. So there might be some collision too with the trees. Ah no, I didn't put it. I think I put on me only, on me only. I think. You can see here. Take it. It's pretty strong. It's too strong. But yeah. Yeah, so that's pretty much where I am. So I'm gonna continue today. I'm gonna make a game over today. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a game over stuff. That'll be cool. Let me reduce this. Hold on. Actually, I want to see it, so. Okay, alright. So yeah, let's continue. I'm gonna check a video today. It's about game over. So I already made the animation yesterday, so it's gonna be not that complicated, but I need to put the file into that. So let me check. So let me grab the file first. I'm sick. There's no webcam today, guys. I'm sick. I'm a sick man. It's just a small thing, but don't worry. I'm taking energy. Alright, so I need to put the new animation. Where is it? Enemy. It's here. Sword. Here we go. So open in File Manager. Okay, so I'm going here. 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 Character sprite. So I need the new one I did yesterday called it's called dead animation. I have one here and one here. There we go. So here we go. I got it. Got it. Okay, nice. So now we can start the video. Let me mute this. 1 second. Alright, let's listen to this video. So again, I'm doing this video from Michael, the best coding man ever. Tutorial video. Just the best.
In today's video, we're going to build a game over screen in a player death state so that finally, after 40 videos, our player can die. Holy cow.
Holy cow, what?
Hi, my name is Michael. Welcome to my 2D action and adventure RPG tutorial series. Follow along and learn how to create your own ARPG in Godot 4 using GD script. Alright, so episode 40, game over screen.
I'm ready.
This is a pretty simple one. I mean, the goal is just to have the player be able to die and then display a game over screen when he does. And the requirements are going to be that the player dies, the game over screen displays after the player dies, and then that screen allows the player to either continue or go back to the title. And there's maybe a little bit more that we'll build into this, but those are the general requirements and the things that we're going to hit in this video today. So I'm going to just go over to my player here, and let's just look at the files that we need. So if I go into my File Explorer and pull up the player folder, let's see. The Sprite, you should have the most recent player sprite if you've been following along. If not, go ahead and grab the zip file mentioned in the description from my itch.io page. And you can see the last couple frames. They're really small here, but these are the player kind of collapsing to the ground. And I didn't create animations for directionality with the death state, just all facing in the downward direction. So you could create your own with multiple directions if you want to. I don't think it's too necessary. There's also an audio. So here in the player audio folder, there's one called Exhausted. And I'll just play that real quick. And kind of cheesy, but there we go. We've got a sound for when he passes out or dies. And we'll need that. So
he have a sound effect. What's the name of the song? Exhausted. Do I have this? Yeah, I have it. Okay. So we are ready.
If you've got those things, then you've already got a player. We're pretty much set and ready to go. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do in the player scene here is let's just go ahead and add the animation that we're going to need. So I'm going to create a new animation, and it's going to be quite simple. Let's call it death. And I didn't duplicate one, so we don't have any of the tracks that we need. But I'm going to go ahead and just actually grab the...
Let me check what he's doing before doing it.
And I'm going to set it to frame 74 and put a keyframe in for that. Okay. And then I'm going to just go ahead and create this animation, and then I'll describe it here in just a second.
Question is what he's doing with this.
Okay, so we have a simple animation. He just collapses to the ground. It's only 3 frames in the animation I've provided, so I just got the keyframe for 74, 75, and 76 here. Okay, and we can change this from continuous to discrete if you want. It's not going to make much of a difference. And it's a 0.4 second animation, and that's it. We're not going to have any sound effects or anything else special in this animation. So go ahead and...
Okay, it's a very simple animation art. So I have it here. I'm gonna do add dead animation. So let's go grab it. So it's in enemies. No, not enemies. Player, sprite, sword. So I made 2 actually, but I'm gonna use 1. Eight by 8. There we go. Let's do like 25 FPS. was the last frame? Okay, well, it's not the best animation ever, but whatever.
Get your setup and then on to the next step. Now we'll go ahead next and let's create the death state. So I'm going to add a node to the state machine here, just a regular node, and I'm going to call it death. You could pick a less scary name if you want. And then let's go ahead and go to the player scripts, and we've got our states folder, and I'm going to create a new script in here. We'll just call it maybe state_death.
State.
Okay, and then plop that script onto our node, and let's open it up. Okay, so this node, let's go ahead and I'm going to put death. You could pick a less scary name if you want. And then let's go ahead and go to the player scripts, and we've got our states folder. I'm going to create a new script in here. We'll just call it maybe state_death. Okay, and then plop that script onto our node, and let's open it up. Okay, so this node, let's go ahead and I'm going to close my notes here. I'm going to open up the base state for a player, and I'm just going to copy, let's see, everything from the init down and just paste that into this death state file here. And then let's give it a class name of state_death, and that extends state. All right. Now we're just going to have a couple things here. We want to export a variable for the sound effect that we'll play, or you could alternatively hard code it, but I'm just going to say exhaust audio. I didn't spell that right.
State
that's correct.
Death. Here we go.
And this is an audio stream. And then let's also just grab our audio player. Let's see.
Wait, dude,
wait. The audio node here. We've got an audio stream player 2D. And I'm going to just rename that variable to audio so it's easier to use. And then let's give it a class name of state_death. And that extends state. All right. Now we're just going to have a couple things here. We want to export a variable for the sound effect that we'll play, or you could alternatively hard code it.
Okay, so
exhaust audio. I didn't spell that right. I think that's correct. And this is an audio stream. And then let's also just grab our audio player. Let's see, which is underneath the audio node here. We've got an audio stream player 2D. And I'm just rename that variable to audio so it's easier to use.
Okay.
And that's all we need there. So now that we've got that set up on our death state, you can see we've got our exhaust audio. Let's go ahead and set that as well. And I'm just going to do a quick load and search for exhausted. Okay. Now this state is going to be really quite simple. We'll get to the enter here in just a second, but really all it does is it's going to, it's going to play the animation for our death state.
What the hell is this?
It's going to play an audio, and then it's going to need to trigger the game to know that we need to enter the game over screen. Okay, we'll get to that later. And then other than that, we just need to go into our process function and just say, set our player velocity to 0 so that he's no longer moving.
Okay.
And that's a vector2, so vector2.0. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's go to our enter function, and let's just do a few things. So we'll say player. Now normally we do update animation in a lot of our states, right? And then we give it the animation name, string, and then it concatenates or adds on that directionality, the underscore down upper side. But because this version that I'm doing doesn't have that, I'm going to just say grab the animation player and say play animation. So if you were to be making your own and you had directionality, then you could use it, update animation. Just make sure they're named properly with the underscore and then the direction. So I'm going to say animation player.play, and then we'll just say death. Make sure that's how I named it here. Yep. Okay. And then let's set our audio stream. Audio.stream.
There's going to be a screen to make.
An exhaust audio, and then we can play that. And then next, we're not going to do this now, but we need to trigger the game over UI. And then actually one other thing I want to do, now you can do this here, or you can do this in the game over UI.
Play music.
I'm not going to go into any detail of having a game over music that plays. I'm sure most of you are going to want that, but it's pretty simple because we've got this audio manager and you can call it from any node since it's global. So I'm just going to say play music, and then you can either put a value in here and use that, you know, make an export variable or whatever, or you can even do this later in the tutorial in the game over screen. But for now, I'm just going to pass in null. I'm going to pass in null, and that's going to give us just no audio. It's going to cut out or fade out the background music, okay? Which I think is appropriate for some games, maybe. But that's maybe the easy way out, but I just didn't have an audio file ready, and I was anxious to get this out to you guys. So I'm just going to play nothing. And again, update that as you see fit. Okay? So there's our basic death state. It's actually really simple. And we've already got it here applied within our state machine, so it's ready to use. But of course, we aren't actually entering this state in any of our other code, so we'll handle that here. So let's just look at our stun state. I'm going to open this script, because obviously, before the player dies, he's going to take damage. And every time we take damage, we enter this state. So we're going to make just a couple updates here. First off, up here with our onReady variables, we've got the idle state, but we also want to grab our death state because that's the one that we're going to enter.
Okay, 1 second. Can I just copy the stun state? All right. State death. All right, let me check this. Let me save it.
And then let's come down to the bottom of our script. And you should have an animation finished, which is where we set the next state to the...
There is an animation finish, yeah. Yeah. Boom. And yeah, okay. Idle not declare in the current scope. Sorry, it's idle. Here we go.
The idle state. So once he's done with his stun animation, we do that. We'll just add in a condition in here. And we'll say if player.hp is less than or equal to 0,
okay,
right? Meaning the player should be dead. Then we'll say next state equals death. Okay, so pretty straightforward. And then just to review what happens in this state is it's in our process. It's just constantly returning next state, which by default is null, so it's not changing state. But as soon as the animation finishes, it's either going to become idle or death based on the player's hit points. Okay?
Okay.
I think that one's pretty straightforward. I just want to look at this player damaged. So right here, we're changing our state to ourself. But just to be safe, I want to make sure that once the player's in the death state, we don't have any way to trigger this. I don't think we can, but I don't know. This is a pretty easy check. We'll just say if state machine dot current state does not equal death state, right? So if it's the death state, we don't want to do this. But if it does not equal death, then we'll do this state machine to ourselves. So that means if we are in the death state, then we're not gonna run this code, okay, and change to this state. So there we go. I think that's all we really need to do with our stun state. I'm gonna go ahead and save the changes that we've made here. In fact, let's just go ahead and test this real quick.
1 second. Yeah, 1 second. Point. Change state. State machine current state. Is it good? I'm not sure about this. It's good actually. What about the herb box? One second. Let me copy this because I think I messed up a little. Ah, no, it's fine. No, it's good. No, it's good. So. Oh no, what I'm doing. Here. Plier damage. No. Wait, I'm confused. I think I made some mistake. So, player damage, earth box, pass, current state. Ah. Change state. Okay. Idle, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I think this is good.
And I'm just going to go to scene 1 and run this by pressing F6. Okay, so I've got goblins here. And I'm just take damage. I should hopefully die. Oh, it's not working. And actually we can see why. This was something that we need to update. You see my health is filling right back up. Okay, so the next step in making all of this work is let's look at our player scene. And let's open up the player script.
Yeah.
And within the player script, we've actually done some things here that need to be changed, because in the past we just made it so that his health would just go back to full so we could keep testing that UI. Okay, so we need to change just a little bit of code within this player state. Let's find the take damage, and this is something I don't use a whole lot, but you see when we're in here looking at our script, we've got all of the different methods, right? Which methods are functions, and there's take damage, so we can click that and it'll just jump you straight to that function. Okay, so take damage, this is good, this is probably okay, but we're going to adjust all this because see in here in this else statement we've got this player emitting hurt box and healing us by 99 hit points. We don't want that. I'm gonna just go ahead and delete this. Okay, but we still need to do the player damage to emit if we take damage, and so I'm going to do this. I'm just going to take this, update HP, and we really only need to do this if the HP is greater than 0. So actually, you know, that little fix we did in the stun state to make sure we're not catching the signal for already dead. This is a second insurance that we shouldn't ever see that, right? Because if HP is 0, then we're not going to update the hit points. Okay, so this is all good. We're going to update HP and then emit that it was damaged, and we're not going to heal the player. And so that should make it so that the player can die. But while we're here in the player script, I want to just add two more bits of code that we're going to need. So one is I'm going to introduce something here that we're going to only use during the testing of this, but I'm going to go ahead and add the unhandled input function. And the reason I want to add this is because we've got a test key here in the player script. I want to just add two more bits of code that we're going to need. So one is I'm going to introduce something here that we're going to only use during the testing of this, but I'm gonna go ahead and add the unhandled input function. And the reason I want to add this is because we've got a test key set up in our project, and if you don't, I've gone into project settings, and under my input map, I've bound the P key on my keyboard to be a test key. So I can just hit P at any point and I'm going to get a test action. So I just want to listen to that here, and we'll just say, so if, let's see, event is action pressed, and then we'll just get that test. Oops.
Okay.
I didn't hit up in time. Test. Okay. Then what we'll do is we're going to just call our update HP by -99, and we had to emit
because it's just like a
damage
test
signal
button
for our state to work. And since we didn't actually take damage from an enemy, we're just going to emit a reference to our attack hurt box right here. This is just because this requires it. This is kind of hacky, but this is the nature of development sometimes. This is easier way to test than walking up to the goblin and letting him hit me several times. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this. And let's go ahead and just run the project now. So now if I hit the P key, I should take damage, and I died. He made the exhaustion sound and he collapsed. Now obviously the game is still running, so we've got some work to do, but that's a basic.
Let me try. Let's go in game and see. Okay, can you kill me, little goblin? It crashed. Invalid access to key animation on player type. Really? Let me see. Let me see. You're right. That's invalid. You're right. Now it's valid. Here we go. Hello. Hello, chat. There we go. All right, one second. Boom. Hello. Kill me, goblin. Crash again. Why? Non-existent show game over menu. You're right. You're absolutely right. I'm sick, guys. No webcam today. You are right. Let's see. Oh. Ah, it crashed again. Why? Wait, but I just save. It didn't save. Or maybe I did not save. Oops. Sorry. I'm sick. Okay, let me try again. Let me see again. Yeah. Let me try again. Ouch. Ouch. Ah, you can see animation. But it's in loop? Why it's in loop? It's not supposed to be in loop. 1 second. Player. Animation. He got it's in loop. Alright. Alright. Let me try again. It's in looping. No, 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 no. We don't want a looping. Let's try again. And again. Let's die again. Ouch, ouch. Ouch, ouch. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, you can see he's on the ground. But the goblin is insane. Flashing, I don't know. Let's continue the video, but it's working basically.
Basic death state. Let's go ahead and just go to our goblin scene here and run this scene. And let's make sure that this actually works without the test key. So I'll take damage a few times from this goblin. Okay. Nice. The things that aren't nice, in addition to not going to the game over screen, is our goblin is just kind of spazzing out right there, trying to chase our player indefinitely, even though he's on the spot. So we'll fix that as well later. Now that we've got this working death state, though, let's go ahead and let's implement the beginnings of our game over screen. And actually, this is going to happen within, I'm going to do it within our player HUD. And you could create your own scene. There's a lot of ways we could do this, but I'm just going to go into GUI, player HUD, and I'm going to open this scene. Okay, so this is the scene where we have our life, and it's a pretty basic scene. Okay. The reason I want to do it here is because it's always present. We've already got it. We've already got this scene globally accessible, and so it's pretty easy to use. Player HUD.
Wait,
I'm
what?
going to open this scene. Okay, so this is the scene where we have our life, and it's a pretty basic scene. Okay. The reason I want to do it here is because it's always present. We've already got it.
Wait, where's my player hub scene? Player. Huh? Oh, it's in player hub. Okay. There we go.
Accessible, and so it's pretty easy to use. So what we've got in here is just a basic control that's already set to cover the screen. We've got a sprite for the little life label there, and then a container for the hearts. So let's just add a container or a control. We'll just add a regular control here. And I'm going to call this control game over. Overt. Okay. And this, and let's go ahead and size this real quick. Let's just set this to full rect so that it fills that parent control. So then this control here is going to contain all of our game over UI, and then by default we can just hide this control node, and we only have to see it when the game over happens. Okay. So what do we need in here? Let's add a color rect, and in fact we're going to want 2 of these, but let's add the first one and configure it. And instead of white, I want to change the color to be black, and I want it to have fills that parent control. So then this control here is going to contain all of our game over UI, and then by default we can just hide this control node, and we only have to see it when the game over happens. Okay. So what do we need in here? Let's add a color rect, and in fact we're going to want 2 of these, but let's add the first one and configure it. And instead of white, I want to change the color to be black, and I want it to have, well, let me go ahead and actually keep that. I'm going to duplicate this one. So 1 is going to be a fade to black. Okay. And I'm actually going to make this black with no alpha right now. Okay. And then this other one, the regular color rect, which we'll use as the background, I want to give it 1. So 1 is going to be a fade to black. Okay. And I'm actually going to make this black with no alpha right now. Okay. And then this other one, the regular color rect, which we'll use as the background, I want to give it just some alpha. Okay, so 0.8 maybe. Yeah, there we go. So then this will just kind of cover up the game scene, and it'll darken everything. Also within our game over screen, we want a label. And this label is going to say game. There we go. So then this will just kind of cover fills that parent control. So then this control here is going to contain all of our game over UI, and configure it. And instead of white, I want to change the color to be black, and I want it to have, well, let me go ahead and actually keep that. I'm going to duplicate this one. So 1 is going to be a fade to black. Okay. And I'm actually going to make this black with no alpha right now. Okay. And then this other one, the regular color rect, which we'll use as the background, I want to give it just some alpha. Okay, so 0.8 maybe. Yeah, there we go. So then this will just kind of cover up the game scene, and it'll darken everything. Also within our game over screen, we want a label. And this label is going to say game over. And then from here, let's just add 2 buttons. So we'll add a button.
Doesn't work.
A label. Just some alpha. Okay, so 0.8 maybe. Yeah, there we go. So then this.
But it doesn't work. Oh, I'm in the wrong one. Oh, oopsie. Wait. What the hell I'm doing? This. And this. 0.8. But it's supposed to be black. What the hell, dude? Wait, what?
So 1 is going to be a fade to black.
I don't get it. It's a 0.8 thing. It's no.
And I'm actually going to make this black with no alpha right now. Okay. And then this other one, the regular color rect, which we'll use as the background, I want to give it just some alpha. Okay, so 0.8 maybe.
It's stupid. So it's not the same thing.
Cover up the game scene, and it'll darken everything. Also within our game over screen, we want a label.
Whatever.
And this label is going to say game over. And then from here, let's just add 2 buttons. So we'll add a button. And then I'm going to, let's give this text. Also within our game over screen, we want a label. And this label is going to say game over. And then from here, let's just add 2 buttons. So we'll add a button. And then I'm going to, let's see, let's get this text. So what are the two buttons that we're going to put on our game over screen? One of them is going to be a continue, and maybe lowercase, all lowercase, continue. And I'm not going to worry about the positioning of anything just yet. Let's duplicate this button and make a second button. And this button will say back to title. And then actually I want these buttons in probably a vertical stack just to make it easier to move them around. So let's add a VBox container. I'm going to just drag these buttons inside the VBox container. Okay.
VBox
and
container.
That's all the basic things we need. So let's start positioning these. Let's just grab the label and that container and let's center it. Okay, and then now I can take this label and I'm going to move it. Container. Okay, and that's all the basic things we need. So let's start positioning these. Let's just grab the label and that container and let's center it. Okay, and then now I can take this label and I'm going to move it. Oops, I've selected the fade to black. I'm going to move the label up, and then I'm going to move this VBox container down a little bit. And I'm actually going to also just grab the label and that container and let's center it. Okay, and then now I can take this label and I'm going to move it. Oops, I've selected the fade to black. I'm going to move the label up, and then I'm going to move this VBox container down a little bit. And I'm actually going to also just resize it, make it a little bit wider so those buttons are kind of wide. And then let's look at this label. I want to just spruce this up a tiny bit. And let's go in here to our theme overrides. And if we look at fonts, there's an option under here. We could pick a font or we can do a new font variation. And we want to do a new font variation. It's basically like a font with a few extra controls. So first, when we add a new font variation, we have to pick the base font. So this is like what we would have done if we just would have picked the font. We pick the font we want. And you can see I've got several fonts in here that I've imported, and these are part of some of the UI stuff you see happening, like the pop downs from the top. But let me just grab the Abaddon bold font. That's a good font to use. Now what we can do, I actually want to take this text real quick. I want to make it all caps, so let's make it game over. Okay. And then the reason I want a font variation is I want to add extra spacing. So this is kind of silly, but I just want to add spacing between the letters, which are the glyphs. So I'm going to just bump that up to like 3 or something like that.
That's cool.
And you can see how that adds that nice amount of spacing. You could just type spaces between the letters, but then it might be bigger than you want. And this gives you control that's consistent without having to type a weird string in there, okay? So there we go. There's a font variation. There's more you can do with the spacing and other things on this if you wanted to.
That's nice.
And there's open type features if you have an open type font. I'm not going to go into it, but this is something, you know, if you need to get a little bit more out of the fonts you're currently using, you might want to look into this font variation override. Okay, so we've got our game over text. We've got our buttons. Let's go ahead and rename our buttons so that they have more appropriate names. So our first button should be the continue button.
Okay.
Button. And then this one can be, we can just call it title button maybe. And I can just type title button, okay? And then I want to move my fade to black should be kind of at the bottom of this control so that it will be on top of everything when we make it visible. And then last but not least is let's add an animation player to our game over screen because we're going to have some animations for this, all right? So let's set up those animations. The animations we want is one to have the game over screen fade in, and then we'll have another one to fade the game over screen to black after the user selects an option, and that's going to help us transition more seamlessly between the game over screen and whatever screen or level we land on after this, all right? So let's add the first one. Let's add the first animation that we can call, let's see, new animation. We'll call this one show game, not plus, show game over, okay? And what do we want to do in this? We want to fade this in.
How do I rescale the? I mean how do I rescale The team, not the team, but the font. The font size. Ah, there we go. Oh, it's there. Game over. Game over. Okay. And what about this one? Font size. Oh my god, more than this. So font size. Font size. Okay. Okay. That's better. Let me save this. And yeah, let's go to animation player now. Animation player.
We also want to maybe just do a real basic animation for the game over text and buttons. And as always, you can dress this up. But let's just, and I guess one other thing is I want this fade to black. I'm not going to animate it, but I want to key this frame where it's transparent so that that's its default color. Okay. Okay, so then let's, when we fade this, we can fade in and modulate this entire control. So let's start there. Let's go to visibility and we'll just put a key on the modulate. Okay, go ahead and say great. I want to check my reset. I had create reset. This fade to black. I'm not going to animate it, but I want to key this frame where it's transparent so that that's its default color. Okay. Okay, so then let's, when we fade this, we can fade in and modulate this entire control. So let's start there. Let's go to visibility and we'll just put a key on the modulate. Okay, go ahead and say great. I want to check my reset. I had create reset track unchecked when I did the game over modulate, so, or when I did the fade to black modulate.
This is how you show and hide the UI, by the way.
And I'm gonna.
It's very interesting.
Game over modulate. No, fade to black modulate. Copy that. Come over here to reset and let's just paste it real quick. Okay, there we go. Now,
wait, what?
This animation. Game over modulate. No, fade to black modulate.
What he's doing?
Copy that. Come over here to reset and let's just paste it real quick. Okay, there we go. Now, this animation, I want to have a longer duration. I'm going to put a duration of 4 seconds.
I'm not sure about that thing. Did he switch the...
Let's just paste it real quick. Okay, there we go.
It's the same thing.
This animation, I want to have a longer duration. I'm going to put a duration of 4 seconds.
4 seconds.
And initially, the player's going to kind of collapse to the ground for just a brief period of time. I'm going to set this to 0.1 second snap. So I'm going to come in here to somewhere around 0.1. Seems good to me. And I'm going to add a new keyframe, which I'm going to just actually kind of just copy and, well, hold on.
What
this
he's
game over
doing?
modulate needs to start at transparent, doesn't it?
What the hell?
So let's drag the alpha all the way down. There we go. Let's copy that and let's paste that here. And I'm going to come into my reset and select the game over modulate.
What he's doing?
Transparent as well. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now it's going to be transparent for just a brief moment, and then we'll slowly fade it in. And I'm going to give it a couple seconds. So I'm going to zoom out on my kind of just copy and, well, hold on. This game over modulate needs to start at transparent, doesn't it? So let's drag the alpha all the way down. There we go. Let's copy that.
I think this is what you want to do, actually.
And I'm going to come into my reset and select the game over modulate. Set that to transparent as well. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now
this is what you want to do.
It's going to be transparent for just a brief moment, and then we'll slowly fade it in. And I'm going to give it a couple seconds. So I'm going to zoom out on my animation timeline here. I'm going to come to 3 seconds. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and paste right there. And let me just drag. I think this death animation is, I was zoomed in so far I wasn't looking at the timeline. It's close to a second, so I'm going to give almost a second for the player to collapse, and then afterwards this will fade in. So this keyframe here at 3 seconds, we can just make full alpha of 1. Okay, so there we go. It's going to fade in, and if we play this, you'll see how it just kind of fades in slowly. So it'll have
I know what he's trying to do.
Sad, dramatic effect. At least that's
okay. I know what he's trying to do.
And then
1 second. Let me fix it. I can do it myself, Michael. I can do it myself. Don't worry. Actually, this is the animation, and this is the game over. Ah, yeah. Okay. Let's put a 7 second. Okay, that's interesting.
Let's go ahead and take, at this last keyframe here, 4 seconds, let's select our label, and let's go ahead and find the layout, transform, and I'm just going to take the position, and I'm going to put a keyframe for that one, doink. And the reason I'm starting out at the end is this is where we want it to end up. I'll do the same with my VBox container. So
why is doing this?
Layout, transform, position, create a key there. And then what we can do is as soon as we get to black here, we can move these. So let's just move this up and add a key. And then we'll grab our game over and move it down and add another key. Let's see, where's my group? Okay, right there.
That's cool.
Okay, so
he's making like stuff
moving. The other thing I
moving.
want to do though is I kind of want to fade these in. I don't want them to be like visible and then.
So he's moving the title. Yeah, it's nice. Game over. You know, I'm gonna make better than him. Look at this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna do position. Damn. No. Okay. It's cool, actually. Yeah, that's nice. That would be better if I put like the fade later. Like the V-Bucks. Because like I'm just having fun right now. It's not like I'm just trying to make something cool. You know, I should hide the V-Bucks. And here you put it on. Yeah. You're actually moving it. So it's like game over. Tick. But yeah, then it's too heavy, so it's just the V-Bucks button. At the end, put it. And here you put an alpha. Oh, yeah, like this. This is good. Game over. Doop. That's cool. Huh? Game over. Deep. Yeah, that's good. Okay. I did my own animation, Michael. I think I'm good. Let's move on. Let's move on, Michael. Let's move on.
Do that. I want them to start from transparent and go to opaque. So let's go back. I'm going to just, I guess I can only do one at a time though for this. So I'm going to select my VBox container. I'm having some mouse lag. It better not be coming in through the recording. I hope not. So let's come in here and visibility modulate. We'll key that, create. And then I want to do the same for my label. Find modulate under visibility, key that. Okay, now we can just come back to this first frame and drag our modulate alpha to 0, key that, and do the same on our VBox container. Modulate
I like mine better.
alpha down to 0, create a key. Okay, so now we've got a little animation. The game over screen will fade in, and then the buttons and the text will kind of animate, just briefly, okay? And I'm just gonna, lastly, I'm gonna select the easing, and I'm gonna just pick kind of like an ease out, maybe, I think is what I want here. So that's just select the keyframe, and then you right click on the easing, and you can pick default type. Okay. so that it just kind of starts a little bit faster and then the animation slows down over time. And there
That's
we go.
cool.
We've got
How do you do that?
our show game over animation. Now let's create the fade to black. And so let's just go ahead and maybe duplicate this animation. I'll duplicate show game over and call it fade to black. And really what we want is this one's going to start. Let's see. Hold on. Let me delete these keyframes on our label and VBox container. And I'm going to just drag these to the very beginning. And then we'll do the same with the game over keyframes. I'm going to grab and I'm going to delete those. And we'll drag this to the beginning. Now this animation doesn't need to be as long. We'll just set it to 1 second. Zoom in. Now what we need to do with fade to black is over the course of 1 second, we need to change the color from this transparent color to full black. Okay. And I didn't do that right. I changed that. So let's insert key and then change this to black. So then what we get is it'll just fade to black. And then that way, once that happens, then we can trigger our new scene. Okay. So there we go. Just 2 quick animations.
Okay, I know what he's doing. So he's just... You just put this here like this. Wait, what? Yo, who is this? Whoa. Wait, what? Yo, Jake Blade. Yo, what's up? Yo, you rated me with 17. Wait, what? Dude, I'm sick. Bunkin. Yo, Nikki Obiang. Thank you. Yo, I'm sick. I have no webcam because I'm sick and you raid me with a ton of people. Oh my god. That's nice to see you, Vin. Thank you for the raid. Yo, G-Day does dev. Thank you for following. Yeah, no webcam, no music. I'm very concentrate. We can put some music for this on the video. Thank you. Yeah, man. I'm sick. Thank you for the raid. Yeah, it's fine. I can still do some dev stuff. So what you guys was doing? You guys stream what? GD does dev. Do I follow you? I don't even know. Let me check on Twitch. Let me follow you, man. I know I'm following you. Yeah, I'm following you. But who rated me? Ah, it's you. Actually, no, it's Jake Blake that's rating me. Wait. Alright, no, it's Jake Blake. Okay, I'm following Jake Blake right now. You can see. Oh no, you cannot see, but here we go. Yeah, now I'm following Jake Blake. Yeah. So, you like my little animation, Omeda? Game over. Game over. Boom. But I'm doing the fade black now. Yeah, the fade black is different a little bit. I think I need to remove I think I need to remove. It's just the fade black. So why do I need all this? No. I'm just gonna remove this. Wait. You don't see the fade black? It's because of this. I'm just gonna remove everything. Wait, where is my Ah, here we go. Yeah, alright. Alright, fade black. Here we go. So, show game. Game over. And boom. Wow, beautiful. Fade black. And it's gone very slowly, but that is way too slow. 1 second. Like a 3 second, maybe? Okay. Show game over. Game over. Continue back to title. Okay, that's very basic, but yes, we like it like this. Okay, so what's next? What's next?
Our player HUD, and then I want to select this reset, and if we did everything right, it should be clear. If one thing I want to do is I want to
yeah, it's gonna script this, so 1 second. So player up, there is a script on this. I did not remember. I do not remember. There is a script on this? Alright. Oh yeah, there is one. Ah. Oh. Okay. So yeah, let's update this actually. Player hub. Key player hub. Whoa, okay, there's a lot of things, but the thing I don't think I'm there yet, so let me check the video correctly. I stop this.
have 2 export variables. Okay. And I'm going to just paste this in here. So what we have here are 2 export audio files. So you can see there's button focus audio and button select audio. We use these in the title screen, and as you can see, I've actually done something that we don't normally do, but with the export, I preloaded these values, so that's going to be the default value.
1 second. Boom.
And then let's come down here.
What is the menu? Wait. What is this?
References to a few things. We're going to need our game over.
Michael, what the hell is this? Menu select and menu focus wave. I have this. Oh, I have it. Okay, let me copy the path. Menu focus. And menu select. Copy path. There we go. Boom. Yeah, here we go. Here we go, Michael. Yo, 9 of you are going to the roof. Yeah, thank you for the raid. Holy shit. I got raided by Jake. That's because of Jake. I have new friends. I have new friends now. Leela. Alright. So
control reference, so we can access that.
Let's see.
We
Game
also
over.
Need to grab references to our 2 buttons. Okay, both the continue and the title button.
Wait, he's adding so much stuff. So the game over, continue, and title button. All right, 1 second. Well, he's adding a lot of things. I'm gonna add everything. Okay, we're gonna adjust this. And that's it pretty much.
We also want this animation player. Oops.
Okay, animation
And
player.
lastly, something that we missed is let's add, just to our player HUD scene, let's just add an audio stream player. The regular
Audio
type.
stream player.
And let's grab a reference to that. And I'm going to rename this to audio. Okay, so these are all elements that we're going to need. Now this audio stream player doesn't really need to be configured any special way, but we can set maybe the bus to sound effects if you wanted to. Okay. Now, in our ready function here, we can connect.
Wait, you put sound effect? Okay, 1 second. The bus. Oh yeah, the bus master. Oh yeah, I remember this. That's cool actually. Sound effects. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Oh yeah, this is good. He told me no more. No, I need you to manage the chat. Okay. That's why I need you. Manage the chat. It's important.
A few things. We don't need to do a whole lot, but I think by default there's a few things that we probably would be wise to do. And the first would be to hide the game over screen, right? So we can create a function like that. And then we also want to maybe connect our button signal so that we get
so hide the screen
and pressed sound effects and things like that. And I'm gonna actually go ahead and just paste this in here so that you don't have to watch me type it all. We don't yet have these functions, but if you recall what we did in the title screen video, it's pretty straightforward. We've got a function that we need to pass in.
Continue, title button and title button press. Alright, 1 second. Continue, table. Okay, I'm gonna just copy all this. Like he said. Boom. Whoa. Yeah, what's up with Play with You? 1 second, I'm checking. Play with You. Play with You. I got it here. So, boom. Load game not declare. Okay, 1 second. Show hide bus. Load game function. Here we go. Boom. And the title screen not declare. Alright. So function. Here we go. Wait. Boom. Tile screen and the fade to black and not declare. Alright, 1 second. Boom. Alright, 1 second. Boom. Boom, bang, boing. Alright, fade to black. Here we go. That's it, I think. Now let's adjust everything.
But, an argument of the audio that we want to play, and so that's what this bind allows us to do. So just
hide game over screen, not declare.
Our script and add that play audio function. Oops. Should say
hide
play
game over screen. Here we go.
Okay, so we've got play audio allows us to pass in an audio stream and play it.
Damn,
and then
boom.
We've connected that signal here, so anytime we focus enters one of the buttons, we can play that little sound effect. And then let's go ahead and ignore this for now. I'm going to comment
You're
these
getting
right
paid.
We'll do this later.
Well,
so
my game budget is $62. Okay.
But what we need to do, obviously, is connect.
$1 on our
buttons to do something and load game.
I have a huge game budget of $62.
So we've got, this is going to be our complete ready function. Obviously, we have to finish some of these other functions so that we can uncomment them. So let's start with the hide game over screen. So by default, when we start, we want to make sure that our game over screen is hidden anytime this UI loads. So let's create a function to do that. And we'll just go back down to the bottom. And I'm going to leave play audio at the very, very bottom, but we'll make a new function called hide game over screen.
Tile button. Let me check this.
And what does hide game over screen need to do? We can grab our game over node, and we'll just set the visible to false, like that. And then I also want to set the mouse filter. So we'll say game over, because we don't want the game over screen to take mouse clicks and block our mouse clicks. Many of you have had issues with that in the past because I haven't designed the game to work with anything other than keyboard and gamepad, but many of you are using a mouse. Okay, so if we don't do this, then it will try and consume the mouse clicks. And the reason we didn't set the mouse filter on the node itself is because we're going to need to change it, because later we do need to be able to click on the screen, right, when the player has to select an option. So by default, when we hide it, we'll say the mouse filter equals, and then
let me check if I load everything, because yeah, I'm curious. Let me check if I load everything, what's gonna happen. And also I'm gonna activate the hub script. Where is it again? Wait. No, it was not player. Was there is a script I just made. Wait, I just made a script, no? Ah, no, it's the carry state. There we go. Show player hub, yeah. Let me try this. Show game over screen in player hub management. Yes. Save. Let me try this. I never played Children of Mana, but I did play Children of Mana. They're related. Yeah, sure, they're related, for sure. I'm pretty sure it's related. Wait, Children of Mana? What is Children of Mana? Let me check. YouTube. Children of Mana. What is that? Oh, I'm pretty sure it's related, yeah. What is this? Oh yeah, it's the same. Yeah, it's the same thing. But this is on DS. Oh, that's cool. Let me check it a little bit. Yeah, it's the same thing, actually. Oh, yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah. Yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. So, okay, so let me test the game. Let me test this. And boom. I said boom. Oh, we already game over. Oh, that's great. It's working well, guys. It's game over. Here we go. Huh? Genius. I'm a genius. Alright, so it's game over. Here we go. Okay, we have to fix a thing. I don't know. One second. Let me try to die with the game over screen. What's gonna happen? Kill me. Kill me. Oh, there's a crash. Oh, here we go. This is what I like to do, to see. The call is no existent. Show game over screen. Wait, really? Okay, once again, Mr. Crash. Wait, it said show game over screen over player hub. What did I miss? Show. Oh, I don't have it. Oh my god. I don't have it. So, yeah. One second. Show game over screen. Here we go. Boom. That will work better, huh? Nice dragon. Watching a genius at work. Yes, you are. Well, what are you talking about? I'm a genius. And I'm at home, okay? Not at work. And I'm sick too, so it doesn't help. I'm sick, okay? Sick. Dude. My voice is dead. I'm a sick genius on my chair, trying to survive. Game over. Ah, you see. You can actually see the game over. All right, let's see again. All right, come on, little goblin. Oh. Ouch. Oh. Game over. Boom. Well, it's we need to adjust a couple things, but you can see, why the mouse is, no, not this thing again with the mouse thing. It's so annoying. Continue. Hello? What happened when I click continue? Black screen. Okay, 1 second. Let's try again. I want to see what's happened when I do the other one. I love this. I love when it's building up something. What happened if I do back to menu thing? Game over. Yeah, we know game over. Okay, let's do it again. I'm gonna die again. Come on, kill me. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Boom. Game over. Continue. Back to title. So what happened if I do back to title? Well, it's black. That's what happened. All right. Oh, there is a revive player. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. Wait, what's the revive player? In player manager? Really? No way, dude. Let me check this. Where is the revive player thing? That's interesting. Oh, wait, what? I'm looking for the revive player. Wait, it's a player or it's in the player script? Revive player, where this is? Ah, it's there. Oh, cool. Revive player in player function. I didn't have that. So yeah. Let's go. Revive player, update HP, change state. We're gonna change this a little bit. Change state. State idle machine. State machine. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. I mean, I'm down. Let's go. Boop. Let's go. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, So let's see. Game over. Yeah, we know. Okay, there we go. Hi, Goblin. Kill me. Ouch, ouch. 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 Here we go. Boom. And then, game over. And then, we're gonna do back to title. Oh. Oh, wait. Whoa. Ow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where I am. Ah, it's because I think I didn't have any save. Ah, yeah, 1 second. I think I know why. It's because when you don't have any save, it's just, you know, just get out of the... Let me try again. Yeah. So let me save like here. I don't care. There we go. And then let's die. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Boom, dead. And then game over. And then back to title. And then nah, he doesn't like it. Interesting. What's the error? Wait, he cannot open the file? Where? Make sure the resource... The level path. Load new level, yeah. What he said? He said, stack track, unlockable level manager. So you cannot open title scene. I'm not sure why. Interesting. Is it because... Well, let me see my revive. Okay, let me see my player update. Load game, wait, fade to black. Revive player. Say manager, load game. Okay, level manager. I think I see what's going on. So my tile scene. Yeah. I made the. Okay, I know what's going on. So yeah, this is gonna work better, right? Yeah, definitively. Okay, let me save this. I think now it's gonna work. Let me try. Alright, let me try again. Game over. Ouch. Boom, game over. And then back to title. Oh wow, it reload the game. Oh, from the title. Oh shit, okay. Yeah, but like it's not working like this. I mean the title stuff is different. It's go back to the title. Whoa, okay. Well, that's not very yeah. Yeah, it's not supposed. That's gonna be interesting to code. Take it. Let me check something. So it's back to title. That's mean it's completely like back to the main title. It was actually working, kind of. So let me try again. Okay, I'm dead. Game over. Back to title. So it's fading. It's because it's loading the other level. Yeah, I see. Well, I should not load the level actually. There is loading. There is one loading that is too much. Oh wow, what I'm doing there? Okay. Is it because it's my? 1 second. Why it load in the corner, dude? Maybe it's because I move. Come here, goblin. Come here. I have a jar. Fear me. Take it, bro. Take it. Oh no, I'm dead. Game over. Okay. Back to title. Actually, I think I know what's going on, but yeah, because I'm gonna have to skip the transition, and actually the title is. Let me get the save file. Let me check something. Yeah. Well, it just doesn't work. Okay, so it's yeah, there is some error. You can see. Oh yeah, it's because I'm looting the item and stuff. Yeah, because there's a lot of thing going on with my saving because I'm saving. It's a persistent world, so there's a couple things to address, but yeah. Okay, let's first start with the hub. Okay. So my first problem is I see the game over all over the screen. That's a big problem. So to fix it, we will... so this is what I see at the reset state. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this. Okay. That's gonna be the first step. And we're gonna save this. Alright, so save all scene. So let me check again. Let me test it. So I should not see the game over now. I should not. Yeah, I fixed it. Okay, so one thing fix. Now, let's fix the other thing. Let's die. I love the sound effect. Kill me. Fall down. Game over. But there was a little tick, huh? You see the tick? There was like a kind of small tick stuff. Yeah, there's a little glimpse when you die. Let me fix this. So when I die, it's because this is good. Wait. It doesn't show anything. Oh. Sorry. Yeah, so okay, so this actually work. This is not the problem, really. I should start this with an invisible. Like this. So we won't see the... I don't think we're gonna see it. V-Bucks, yeah, so if you do this... Put this on. And you start this like this. There we go. It should work like this. Like this. Let me try this. Let me try this. Let's go. Let me see. Ouch. Ah, you can see it. You can still see it. Very strange. Why did I see the little beep? Why? Why I see it in the reset? Reset. Maybe, but yeah, I don't think I need this. Fade to black. Is it what I'm showing when I die? Maybe. I'm gonna make it invisible then. Like I'm gonna make the V-Bucks not visible. Wait. It doesn't work or? Oh yeah, it's working. And the label not visible as well. So visible. Yeah. So what happened is the only thing I should see is the fade. Okay. Well, let's see. Let me try. In the video, they're using a trick to level up like a healing spell, something like this. I remember that. I remember I did this as a young, very young little boy in Secret of Mana a long time ago. Alright, so let me try again. Boom. Ah, now you can see the fade, that's why. So the fade is making this like complicated. Okay. So I see the source of this problem. Just have to fix it. I see the source. So basically the fade is a big problem. So what we have to do with the fade, it's not like this. Okay. So for the fade, let me redo it completely from 0. Yeah. So the fade is just a fade. So you just want... let me check this. You just want this actually. Because the other animation is doing the rest, so... Maybe I should... I think I know what's the problem with this. Yeah, I think I understand. What's this thing here? Like, do I have to do this? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think I know what to have to do. So basically you start this invisible, but you put it visible here. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's gonna work better. Let me try. Boom. Boom. You can still see it. How? Nah, there's something. You can still see the glitch, like click. Something. There's something, guys. It's a little glitch. There's a little glitch. What is it? Is it the reset or? It could be the reset. Can I mean, for the reset, everything has to be invisible. So yeah. Show game over. So why do I have the fade to black in? But why the fade black is there? Maybe that's why, but I'm not sure. Alright, let me save this and let's retry. It could be the reset I just fixed. Could be this. Oh my god. You got a wreck. Yes, I fixed it. Haha. I'm a genius. I fixed it. Okay, so I fixed it. GG. Okay, so now let's fix the game over. The game over should be in the middle. And I don't know why it's there, but it should be in the middle and go straight down, you know. So I'm not sure why the game over is doing this. Let me take a look. But I fixed the little glitch. Let's see the game over. Animation. Show game over. It looked like it's in the middle like this, but the thing is, it's not. So I think it's because of the no. That's the label. I think it's because of yeah, this thing is mess. Is this full screen? Wait, full screen. Can I center the canvas or something? Layout. Can you because it looked good like this, but the thing is, can you put the canvas on top? Let me redo it. I think that's why. It's because originally, like, the origin of this is there. That's a problem. Can you, like... here we go. Yeah, that's the new position. So, position... I can, yeah. Oops. Wait, that's the original position? Ah, well, put it in center. Ah. Here we go. Ah, it changed the position automatically. Ah, I see. Okay. So, okay, and then, but you don't want to start there. Oh, my bad. Yes, and you do save position, and then you go here, and you do center. Well, not very center, but like this. So here we go. Game over. And boom. Alright, let me try this. Let's see. Man, I need to eat some cereals. I'm sick. I need milk. and cereals. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright. Oh, double kill. Oh my god. That's a shot. Wow. Alright. Kill me now. Double kill goblin. You see this? Damn. Ah, you can see the glimpse. Oh no, that's a bad thing. Ah, look, it's always like this way. That's so weird. Very strange. Very strange. I know it's strange. But yeah. I'm gonna just move it, man. Fuck that shit. Sorry, bad word. Oops. Yeah, you know, at this point. So is it just bug because of I think. Wait 1 second. Because I just see a bug. 1 second. Let me reload the game again. I just saw a bug, so I didn't tell you, but I see something wrong. But I didn't say anything. I was amazing about my double kill barrel jar hit. Let's see again. Hi, goblin. Own me. Let's see if the bug is still there. Ah, you can still see the bug. You serious? Why? Why you see the bug? I don't get it. But I put the reset correctly, right? I mean, you should not see this. Oh, yeah, maybe that's the problem here. Yeah, maybe it's the problem. Ah, you can see here. Look. It's not center. Let me try this. Position. $486. Okay. Okay. And well, my problem is still the bug is still there. I can see the stupid fade thing. Let me try again, but let me try this. Let me try this. Let me try this. Let's try to do a double kill with the jar again. Hey, fear me, I have a jar. Double kill, triple kill? No, let's do a double kill. Oh no! Oh no. Whatever. Let's kill me. Ah, you see? I fix it. Oh. Well, we can see some progress. For some reason, the game over is now at the wrong... Like, it's so strange. You can see some progress though. So the bug is fixed, but... Let me check the hub again. The game over is not positioning the right spot. Yeah. Is it because I'm doing a transfer? No, I don't think. I think it's just a layer. Now the game over is in the wrong. This is so weird. This is very strange. $545. Yeah. And it's too much hub, so... Wait. No. Like this. Alright, let me try this. Oh, yeah, 1 second. Okay, now it should be good, guys. I think I got it. Let's see. Alright. See this? Boom. And... boom. Ah! You can see the glitch again. It's center. Wow, that's the most center thing we see today. It's actually center. Finally. But there is a little glitch. Let me try again. There is a glitch. You guys see the glitch? I see it. Let me check something. There is a very small glitch. I'm not sure why, but there is a glitch. When this pop, I think this is when this pop. Because when the game over pop, this pop, and you know what I should do? I should put it like, I have an idea. I would put this invisible first, and visible there. So, yeah. Visible, off. There we go. Like this. Yeah, that should work better, I think. Yeah, let me try that. So visible, invisible, invisible. Alright. So save all and let's try this. And I think that should fix the glitch, I hope. Let's see. Boom. Alright, let's do it. I'm ready. Boom. Take it, take it. Next. Ah, you want it? You want it? You want it? You want it? Hey, where you go? Ah, here we go. Take it, bro. In your face. Alright. Ah, you can see the glitch again. The game over is nice. But you can see the glitch again. What the hell is this? So it's not the fade then. So it's not the fade that glitch. There's something else. The show game over glitch, maybe? You think it's this, that glitch? I don't know what that glitch, but there is a glitch. Okay, what if I delete the fade completely? Just to try. See if this is the bug or not, because I'm very confused. Maybe I have to hide it here, maybe? Let me try. Yeah. And let me try. Let me try this. See. Okay, let me try this setup. Try this setup. My bush will kill you. Boom in your face. Alright, kill me now. Ah, I think I fixed it. Well, I didn't see the glitch. Let me try again. Because I think I fixed it. Let me try. Second test. I think it's fixed, guys. I think it's fixed. I think I fixed it. I think I fixed. Let's see. No, don't kill me. No. No. Yeah, I fixed it. There is no more fade. Okay, so not bad, not bad. So why my mouse cannot click the button again? We need to fix this. Alright, let me check. I think it's in the last time I played with this, it was a kind of pain. I think I knew I made a little script, but yeah, I should remove that. Try this. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, let's see. Yo, ouch, ouch, don't kill me, ouch, ouch. Boom, game over. Game over. No, it still doesn't pop. There is something I did, I know what this is. I know what this is. This is oh, wait. Don't play with this. Let me try again. Try again. I'm ready. Fear me, goblin. Boom. I made something too when the goblin hit me. And I have this on my head. Look at this. Boop. And I drop it on the ground. That's something. Okay, I'm dead. Game over. Yeah. Okay. There is something else I have to do with this. What is it again? I think it's in my... it's... Control... no. It's a mouse thing. Mouse. Filter in your... Wait, I have another... it's called... well, maybe it's not in there. What's my other name? Like inventory hub. Yeah. No. It's not inventory hub. It's called save. No. No, menu maybe. Pause menu. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. So mouse is on ignore. Filter stop. Stop. Filter stop. Pass cool even. So the control is on ignore. But the rest is on stop. But the control is on ignore. Okay, let me try this. The control is on ignore. Control is on ignore. Ah, you see? Ignore. Let me try that. So the mouse should be detect with this. The mouse should be detect now. Try. Oh, the Winterland with the Muggle. They stun. I remember that. Alright, kill me. Boop. Kill me, kill me, kill me, kill me. Boom. Oh, game over. And the mouse should work. It doesn't work. Maybe it's because of the fade. It said ignore. I don't remember how many fading. Oh yeah. 1 second. Ignore and ignore. Okay, let me try this. Try this. Boom. Boom. It doesn't work again. I remember I did a couple things before to make this work. I don't remember. Is it the button? Let me check my player hub. Let me check. So pause menu. Okay, pause menu, control on ignore. The label, we don't care. This is on stop, the canvas on stop. The grind is on pass, okay. So the V-box is on stop. The button is on stop. The V-box is on stop. Okay. The V-box is on stop and the control is on ignore. The V-box have to be on stop. Okay, alright. And if I check my other thing, my V-box is not on stop. There we go. And this stop, that's good. Ignore. Okay. It was not on stop. Now it's on stop. My V-box. Alright, let me try. See. Let's see this. Boom. Boom. Okay, so let's take a look of the menu. Yeah, you see? That's working. We need to do the same thing. Yo, let me check. 1 second. Maybe not. Let me just test it here. Boom. Game over. It doesn't work. So sad. Oh. Look, that's the one that's actually working. What's the difference? Mouse, stop, button, stop. And if you go in there, the control is on ignore. Ignore, stop, stop. What's the difference? So, control, ignore. Control, ignore. Stop. And stop. Stop. But it doesn't work. Boy. try this. I'm gonna put the filter down the button. But what is the layer? 1 second. Layer. Did I change layer? Layer 1? What's the menu layer? Layer 1. Layer 1. Is there an order or two? Order. Ordering. 0. Zero. No, there's nothing. No, there's nothing about the layer, so... Well... This is lame. All I can said. Maybe it's in the coding then. Focus. Nah. There's nothing in there. Oh, there's something wrong again. Jesus Christ. Look. Player hub. That's the heart. The game over. Mouse. Ignore. Ignore. Stop. Stop. The 2 is stop. Okay. I'm gonna try something very drastic. I'm gonna delete the two thing here. I'm gonna save. Yeah, I'm just gonna delete it. Hello? I think I crash because I delete. Oh. Yes. Okay. Let me try this. Okay, let me try. I delete the stupid fate thing. Let me see. Alright, let's try. Alright. Surprise, I have a jar. Take it, dude. Alright, kill me now. It doesn't do anything. Why? This is weird. Let me delete the other one then. I'm deleting everything and see. Piss me off, man. Let's put it back. Wait, what? No. No, 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 no. Oh, fuck it, I'm gonna delete it. Bye. Yeah. Fuck the animation, dude. I have to delete stuff because it's not working. It pissed me off. I want the mouse. Alright, so one more try. There we go. Guys, I need to go eat something. I'm struggling. Is it okay if I leave this like this? I need to go eat. Can you enjoy my little guys with a jar on his head? Alright, be right back, okay? I'm back. Alright, let's test this. Ah! Where's the goblin? Huh? Oh, there's one there. That's strange. Okay, so let's see. So I remove all the stuff now. It doesn't work? You're joking. Dude. What's the problem again with this? Piss me off. Piss me off because look, this menu is working. And also this thing working. Everything worked there. This doesn't work. What I did wrong? I'm confused. I did the exact same thing. Let me double check the menu that work again. I think I missed one thing. Look. The menu that work is this one. This one is working. So, if we check this. Okay. The pose menu is layer 1. And proceed mode always. What'd that do? Does the other one have the same thing? Proceed mode. It's not always. Okay. Maybe is this gonna make a difference, you think? Layer 1 visible. Where's the other one again? Layer 1 visible. So why is that the same thing? No, it's the same thing. Okay. So, alright. So pose menu. 1 mode always. Alright, next. Control. Control have filter ignore. Z index 0. Z. Okay. So filter ignore mouse. Player hub. Control. Ignore. That was ignore, right? And what's the order? 0 Z. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, same thing. Pose menu. Other the under. Yeah, the panel container. Mouse filter stop. Force pass scroll on. The ordering is 0 as well. Alright, let's see the other. So here. Mouse. Was it pass? Well, actually. You know, why there is a node on a node here? I think this is wrong. This should be on top of player. I think this gonna make a difference actually. That's what I think. Because look, this one is a control. There's one control on ignore and the V-box is on stop. Okay. The V-Box is on stop other the control. And everything is on stop actually. No. The grinder is on pass. Huh. What about this one? The grinder is on pass. Do I have a grinder in the other? No. I have a V-Bucks container. So basically, this should be my setup. So the setup should be in your first. After this, filter stop. And the button is as well filter stop. So that should be my setup. I mean, definitively under one control. So control, ignore, this is good. And under my control, I have another node. Maybe this is why it's wrong. A node and a node. And my V-Box of this node is on stop. And the rest is on stop. Well. Well. What it said here. The controller will not receive mouse input even and mouse when click it and get input. The controller will also not receive the mouse entering. Maybe that's not a good idea. Let me try this. Alright, let me try again. So let's see. Hit me, hit me, hit me, hit me. Oh no, ouch, ouch. Ouch. Game over. It doesn't work. See? Ah. But this is working. Everything work and not this stupid thing. Well, let me try other thing. I mean, mouse. What is pass? Oh my god. Stop, stop, pass. What is stop again? Stop the control receive mouse button input even and mouse button input blah 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 blah. The control receive mouse. There's even automatically again. The control will receive. Okay, let me try this. Let me try this. And oh no no no! This is my good one. Oops, my bad. No, this is my good one. Don't touch this, Ega. Don't touch this. No, 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 no. This is the wrong one. Okay, so I put pass Stop. Stop. Pass. Stop. Stop. Game over. Stop. What does stop mean again? Said the controller will receive mouse movement per mouse button. Click on and the controller will receive mouse and automatically my cards. Okay. But the thing is, I'm under another control that is on ignore. Let me do this. Let me try that. Let me try that. I think I understand what's the problem. It's because I'm on a node on a node. This is bad. See, that worked. That worked. And let me test. 1 second. Let me go here. Let me check the NPC if this is working. The NPC have some setup too. We can maybe take it as an example. Look. Not. Yeah. You see the button? I can click, but not this one. This one actually. There's a choice, see? My mouse is working. Okay, so everything is actually working. Okay. And let's go back here. Let's die here. Let's go. Alright, kill me. Oh, ouch. Oh. Oh no, I did. Oh no. Game over. It doesn't work. I'm clicking everywhere. Clicking. Doesn't work. So I think it's because of this. I think I'm in the control. That's why. Alright, let's move it. Guys. It's time. So the game over will be in under the player hub, which will make more sense. And then if we respect the pause menu, so you have mouse ignore first under control, and in the V-box you have a stop filter with 2 stop filter. So let's do the same thing. So an ignore here with the V-box of 2, 3. Well, it's the stop filter with 2 stop filter. Okay, let's try this. And also, I think because of this, I'm gonna have to change a couple setup because I move. Yes, because I move a bunch of things. Control game over. Yeah. Continue button. Yeah. Title button. Yeah. And animation player. Yes, sir. And audio. Well, the audio player didn't really move, so that's a good thing. For child in control flow container. Oh. No, this is good. Okay, so let me try again. With the new thing. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry, I'm sick. I'm sick and I'm doing programming on Godot. Bang. Kill me, no, no, no. Ugh. Game over. And it doesn't work. This is starting to piss me off now. Doesn't work. Alright, this is not really cool, man. This is not cool. This is not cool. Why? 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 So why? Why it doesn't work? Is it because of the animation weight? Do you think? I can, you know, I could like remove the weights and, but I don't think it's gonna make a difference, to be honest. I don't think. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, but it doesn't work and piss me off. The other one is working, but this one doesn't work. This is so great. This is so great. So great. This is so great. Let me try this. Let me try this. Say, so pissed, man. I'm so pissed right now. This doesn't work. I hate when it doesn't work. Piss me off, man. Piss me off hard. This piss me off. This is Reese. This is not human. You want a jar? You want a jar? Take it. I'm so damn frustrated about the bugs. I'm gonna kill all the goblin. You're not gonna kill me, you know. I have a bush. I have a bush. You want to bug my game, stupid goblin? Take it. There, you're dead, dude. Alright, kill me now. I die. Game over. It doesn't work. Yo, is this because of the animation? It could be. Huh? I'm gonna like remove the script animation. Just here. I'm just gonna remove this. And I don't know, let's see. Imagine if it's just that stupid thing. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Back to the game. Okay, all right. I removed the weight thing, so let's see. Fear me, I have a jar. Let's do a double kill. Let's try. No, 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 get out! No! Oh, damn it. Alright, kill me then. I bet. Game over. It doesn't work, 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 it doesn't work. Oh my god. Okay. Let me test something then. Alright? You want to play with this? Alright. You think you're smarter than me? Huh? That's what you think? Huh? 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 That's what you think, huh? You're smarter than me, huh? Ready? Ready? Smarter than me. That's what you think, huh? Let me show you the genius here. You think you're smarter than me? Huh? Stupid Godot bug? Huh? Huh? Button piss off bug. Huh? You think you're smarter than me, Godot? Huh? 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 Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. This is the piss off bug button. Right here. You think you're smarter than me, Godot, huh? Here we go. There we go. I'm gonna save this. Let's see what you're gonna do with this now. Huh? What are you gonna do with this? Huh? You will you let me click this thing, or will you not click this thing? Huh? Huh? Let me see. Let me see this. The button is there. Can I click it? I can't. Ah. Look at this. I cannot do anything to this stupid button. Interesting, interesting. Can I click it when I pop the thing? Alright, let me see. I try to click it. Doesn't work. Nothing work. Okay, dude. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Interesting. So, alright. You don't want me to click the piss button? Alright. What if I put this here? Ooh! You have no chance. It's right behind the player hub. What you gonna do now, Godot? What are you gonna do? Oh my god, what you gonna do? You don't want me to click this thing? Alright. What are you gonna do now? Let's see what Godot will do. There's no control node. Uh-oh. Let's see this. Button piss off button. Oh, I can do nothing. Whoa, interesting. Wait, what? Huh. Interesting. Let's see. Huh. Nothing. So I'm the only audience on YouTube. Yeah, you are, yeah. But it's okay. It's better. It's better to be one, so the streamer can talk to you. Leaf. Alright, so yeah, so Godot doesn't like it. He doesn't want me to click this. So that means something is wrong with my hub then. For sure. So it's my hub the problem. It's my hub. There is no other thing. It's my hub for sure. What the hell? So where this hub is load? So my hub is the problem. Well, if my hub is the problem, let's try to, I don't know, put on layer 2. I don't know. On top of everything. Let's see. Very strange. Maybe I should check the script actually. There's something wrong with the hub. Is it the script, you think? Let me check this. For child, control flow ready, child hard, child visible. It said hide game over menu. Yeah, but... Alright, let me try this. I just fix one thing. Let me try. It's not working again. I'm clicking everything. And my menu... Oh, my menu doesn't work anymore. Oh. You see? Ah, nothing worked now. Oh, that's good. That means something happening. Oh, it's working. Whoa. It's working. See? The thing is... Wait. Why everything start to work at the same time? Wait, what? What's happening? Oh no. But the piece of button doesn't work. Oh, and this doesn't work too. Oh my god. Okay, wait. So we discover something. So we discovered that the layer of the player hub should be 1. But when it's 1, let me try again. Let me save it like this. We're doing a discovery. Well, it's the same layer of the other, so I'm wondering if I have to change the layer. I'm gonna put layer 0, I don't know. Okay, let me check this. Wait, 1 second. Ah, no, wait. Don't kill me, goblin. Okay, everything works still. Okay. So now I'm gonna get killed by the goblin. Kill me, goblin. Kill me. Oh yeah, it definitively not doing anything. Okay, so if I change the layer, so that's strange. Alright, so if I go to here, so if I go in player hub and I put on layer 0, what is gonna happen? Wait, I have a better idea. Wait, let me try 0 first, but I have another idea I want to try, actually. I'm gonna try the 0 layer, and let's see, because there is another, an harder I can do as well. So we can maybe play with the order and leave the layer correctly. But, I don't know, let's see. Ah, button, piss off button. Here we go. Okay. Come on, kill me. Dead. This is working still. This is working still. This is not working. It doesn't work. Still. Okay, so layer 2 was working, but before playing with layer 2, let me just be sure I try everything. So layer 1 plus... What's the order? Oh, there's no order in there? Ah. Okay, so we need to check what happened when I put layer 2 versus the rest of the game. Need to check this. Man, I hate UI. It's crazy. I hate that. Man, the amount of time I waste on making stupid user interface is crazy. Alright, so now it's on layer 2. So, okay, so let's pop it first. Ping and so see nothing work. I'm dead. Game over. And you see the mouse? It's working now. I can highlight them. So can I highlight the rest? I can't. Okay, so if I click this, continue. It bug out a lot, huh? So making it layer 2, it's overwrite everything else. That's great. Everything is bug out. So put it at layer 2 mean on top of everything, mean it's working. Yeah. Well, this is yeah, this is dumb. Ah, this is not good. Why this button in the middle of the screen doesn't do anything? That's very weird. Yeah, I'm not sure what's with the problem with all this. Why? I mean, why? Where? For child and get children. So game over visible is true. Game over visible is false. And game over is the control game over. Um, Maybe it's in my, maybe the problem is not there, but it's there actually. What do you guys think? Like... This node doesn't have a control parent. This node doesn't have control. Actor preset full rec. I have the same thing. We really have to compare the pose menu, because the pose menu is fully working. Not sure to understand. The pose menu have a script too. Where this is pop? Hide pose menu. Okay. Layer 1 mode always control. The control have an in-your filter and a full rec and an order of 0. The player hub have filter in your mouse in your and an order of 0. Right. This is strange that this have a ignore thing, but full rec, ignore. That's exactly what my other have, right? Full rec, ignore. Exactly. Exactly. Full rec, ignore, full rec, ignore. Well, it's the same thing. Do you think it's because in my script I said game over? So what's the V-Bucks setup in my post menu? So the V-Bucks container is stop on mouse, and that's it. And the button are mouse left, stop as well. That's it. So player hub, V-Bucks. V-Buck is top. You see the difference here? Why by default is pass? And here I change it. No way. Okay. Oh well. Okay. Okay, well now it's the same thing, so let's try this. I don't get it. If it doesn't work, man, I'm very confused. I don't know. I really don't know why it doesn't work. I'm very shocked. I mean, just this, that I cannot click this, is not normal. I don't think it's normal. This is not supposed to work on this. So I can manipulate all other button, but when this come in, I can't do anything. This is not supposed to be done. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so pissed. You guys have no idea. I'm pissed like crazy. Holy shit, I'm pissed. I'm pissed because this button doesn't work anyway. If I put the button in the middle of the screen, it doesn't do anything. Look. So I mean, why do you think? And why it's under the other button? What if I put this here? What's gonna happen if I put this here? Let me test this. I'm confused, man. Agent PO, no. Dude, this is dumb. Yeah, you see, I can't click it. Look. What the hell? There might be something before all this. I need to check where this is loaded. Yeah, I need to check where this is loaded. This is make no sense. Yo. No. So, my question is, where does this is load? The player hub. It's load when? It's not load at the beginning of the game. I'm sure it's not. Yeah, it's not load there. When the level load. Level load started. Level manager. Let's see. Level manager. Global level manager. Where this is? I'm supposed to have something about global. Yeah, here. Global level manager. Nope. Is it insane transition? Sane transition. Yeah. Player hub show. Yeah, but it just showed the player hub. So it's not like it's running it. Well, when the game start, I mean, you're running the player. What's the script of this? Player damage, proceed, physics, on the animation, take damage, variable. What is this? Shown point emit? Hidden point emit? Does this make a difference or not? Hide post menu. This is very strange now. I just don't know. I'm very confused. This is dialogue system. Let's see. Get viewport is window. Get parent, remove child. Hide dialogue. There's nothing in there too. This is what is this? Get viewport, get input as no. What's that? Well, I don't know. I just don't know. It doesn't work. It just doesn't work. So, I don't know. Let me check the animation of this. It's so short, man. What about this one? Oh yeah, that's the sub new followers is working, but the other animation is too short. Well, I don't know, guys. I really don't know. I don't know why it doesn't work. Pisses me off so much. It's crazy. You know what I should do? I have an idea. I'm gonna put the game over under the control of the other one. Why not? I don't understand why it just doesn't work. This thing is just very, very strange. It's very, very strange. Do you think it's because... Do you think it's because... Listen, I'm gonna try to... copy this to my pause menu. No? There's no animation in there, it doesn't matter. It's under control anyway. Oh, because this is always on. Oh. Yeah, that's true actually. This is always on, that's the difference. Well, the thing is there's a lot of coding, but... Well, I'm gonna try just for fun. Let's do this. And you know what? I'm gonna move this way. Like this way. And let me try this just for fun. It's gonna make a lot of error, I'm pretty sure. Well, let's keep it in case it's working. I don't know. Sale. I'm always like reaching a problem, like every time I'm doing a tutorial, it's crazy. There's always something, like always. The tutorial look easy, but at the end, it doesn't happen much. Why it's not there? 1 second. It's because it's full-eyed. Yeah, well, I should remove this. Let me try this. Ah, right there. Here we go. Wait. I have it. Look. See? So I can click it. Is it normal? Is like this? This is very strange. I cannot highlight it, or very strange. 1 second. This is very strange. Here. Oh yeah, there is a label too here. This one. So why it's like this? That's strange. Why it's... So why they are like this? They don't have any color. This is so strange. Now they have. Okay. Okay. I'm going somewhere. Because I have a solution. I will change it and put it in my other hub. Not on the pose hub. I'm gonna use the pose hub for L bar or whatever. So yeah. So it doesn't work. You can see. But I think this is the one that override. Oh no, it's not. Wait, what? This is... Oh no, because I delete the button. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is... I'm gonna copy the button of this. No, sorry. This. Show. Okay, so this and this. I'm gonna copy this to this. They become black. I don't get it. Why? Is there a filter on this? What the hell is that? Why they are black like this? I don't get it, man. Font color. Font size. What the hell is this? Wait. Don't get it. I don't understand. Dude, that made no sense. Let me create another button. This is so stupid, man. It's black! What the hell? What the fuck, man? Okay, so why this one is good and the other one is wrong? What is going on? Ah, it's because of this? Why? Why it doesn't change color? Dude, this is like joke? My Godot is joking me? Like, what the hell? Why doesn't why it's Oh my god, are you kidding me? Okay. Now that I just did something very stupid, let's just save and try again. Alright, let's try this. Okay, let me try. Yeah, see? It's working. Everything works except that stupid thing in the middle. And this doesn't work because it's done. So freaking dumb. So let me try something else. Okay, so here it's working. Let me check everything worked correctly. It's working. What if I grab a potion? Let me check something. Well, actually, let me pause. A simple rock. Okay, that's working. That's working. That's working. Let me check this, guys. It's working. If I click the next, it doesn't work. But the thing is, it's kind of. Oh, I can interact the button, right? Oh no, I can't. Well, I can interact this one. That's the most important one. So okay. Okay, so everything works except that stupid thing. Does my menu work? Oh, 1 second. 1 second. Display. I didn't think about this, but it's kind of important. Yeah, my menu still works. Check this. Okay. So everything's work except the other thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the menu to there. Actually, I'm gonna move the pause menu to the. I'm gonna move the game over menu to the pause menu. So definitively. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright. I will do it. Fuck that. Sorry, but I mean it's a lot of code stuff. But I don't know. It's just I should just keep the pause menu, not the pause menu. The player hub. I should just keep the player hub for like the heart. You know. It's kind of strange that it doesn't work. I'm still like, I still don't get it, honestly. I just don't get it why it doesn't work. It makes no sense to me. It makes absolutely no sense to me that thing doesn't work. It's like completely out of my mind. Like seriously. Yeah, I don't know, but it doesn't work, so yeah. I'm gonna delete it. Oh, it sucks a little bit because. So when does this pop in the script? Because I'm gonna have to move the script. Ugh. Because it's a player hub in general. Oh, I see. So will I be able to pop this at anywhere? That's the thing. Because this hub is supposed to load at the beginning of the game. That's a big thing. Supposed to pop, you know. This is very strange. So you can see here is Huh. Yeah, I don't know. Guys, I think I will do it offline because I have to redo a lot of things. The thing is, the player hub is global. Global my ass, it doesn't work, so... Okay, well, I think for today, it's gonna be like this. If I fix it, I can come back later. What do you guys think about that? But, yeah, I don't know. I'm sick too, so I'm kind of slow, but I really enjoyed the stream. I hope you enjoy it. And I'll see you for another